Hi guys, we're here in the model. Here is the model. Sweet home. Home sweet home.
On the other side of the church over here.
Go inside.
That's our next phase. Yeah, and then we'll have one more phase after that that we'll put in next year,
What would that be?
in the spring.
Where will?
Oh, where will it be?
Was it the big
Yeah,
map?
so this is the new one right here. We're on this lot right here. And one other cul-de-sac up here, so we'll be doing
Okay.
all of that next year.
And those are all like over there, like .4.
Point 4 to point 6, you know, just,
So they have mountain views, like
oh
the
yeah.
ones on Citation Circle, because we can house behind it.
Yeah, yes, but there's such a distance between all.
Here is the living room. Look at that, RJ. Nice.
They will.
Later.
These down here, yeah. So these along here.
So high the ceiling. There he is.
Well, a view and these back.
Here is the dining. There is the kitchen. Okay. Yeah. Nice, RJ. At that. Cabinet. Kitchen cabinet. Is the gas or electric? So nice. Here's the sink. At that. Wow, nice. Nice. See? Ah. I like that. Oh, here's the washing drying room. This. RJ. Wow, nice washing drying. See? So nice, RJ. And so big too. Big space here. See? Yeah. Like that. And then we go here. Here's the mud room. There is the bathroom. The toilet. Sink. This here. And here. The garage. I cannot open, RJ. Garage. Wow, this. Oh, it's a big garage. Look at that. Garage, RJ. How many cars here, RJ? Oh, 4-car garage or 5? That. Is the garage or 1, 2, or maybe 4-car garage. 4-car garage. Okay, we go inside. Yeah, come here. Come here, RJ. There's the view, kitchen and dining. Living room. Here's upstairs. You go upstairs, RJ. Upstairs. There is nice chandelier, RJ. Here's the hallway. Wow, so nice. Look at this. Nice. This is the baby room. Nice, RJ. At that. Here. Okay. And here. And there, what's there, RJ? Wow! Look at that, RJ, it's so nice. Here he is, the other room, RJ. That, yeah. See. There he is. Mirror. And here, bathroom. Wow, look at that. I like the tiles. See? Nice, RJ. Sink. This is the sink. And here is the bathtub. Here it is. Nice bathtub, RJ.
Something else.
And have here the toilet. Okay.
Hey, Mommy, look in
Next.
here. Look in here. Look in here.
Wow, there's the closet. See, big closet, RJ. A towel. Oh, this is the.
Here.
Oh, nice. This the. What's this, RJ? Wow. There's so many bedroom, RJ. This big,
It's stacking up here.
big house.
It's stacking up here.
Yeah.
I'm down here.
Wow, big closet too. Like that.
You get up here.
Here. A shelf there. And there too.
Mommy, Mommy,
Yeah.
you open that
Yeah.
or there.
Wow, nice, RJ. And
Hey, Mommy,
I
Mommy.
like this,
Hey, Mommy,
RJ.
look up.
It's a big house.
Look here. Look,
Yeah.
Mommy,
Okay.
open here.
What's here? Oh, this other washing dry room, RJ, or what's that there? Washing dry room.
This now.
There's that stairs.
Huh?
Stairs,
You
RJ.
up in here?
Yeah. And we go now in the master bedroom, RJ.
You want to see in the basement?
Yeah, we go to master bedroom.
Now, one that
to master bedroom. There. Go master bedroom. There he is. Here's the master bedroom. Wow, I like this master bedroom, RJ. I like this. Wow, so nice. Look at that, RJ. Wow. Nice. Wow. I like this master bedroom, RJ. Look at that big,
Come here.
huge bedroom, RJ.
Come here, mommy. I'll show you.
That.
I'll show you something else.
And here the master bathroom. Here he is. Have to sink. Wow. Nice light. So high the ceiling.
We're
RJ.
done now.
Maybe upstairs. Go.
There.
Wow, there's the bathtub. Look at this. Bathtub, huge. Wow. So colorful bathroom. So nice this. Wow. So big. This is the shower. This is the shower. Look at that. Look at the head of the shower. So nice, RJ.
What?
So
And the
nice.
bathtub and the sink.
Yeah.
What? Toilet?
Yeah, there is the toilet. Look.
Toilet.
Look at toilet, RJ. I like the tiles. Oh, here. See? Wow. So high ceiling too. Slowly, RJ. Now you stay there, RJ. Don't do that. Here's RJ. RJ. You like this, RJ?
Yes.
See? Look at this. So nice. Walk-in closet. Nice.
Basement. It's the basement. Basement.
See, you go. You go.
No, I'm scared of you. You too.
I finish this first. Go there. Wow. Nice. At that, I like this big walk-in closet. Have a bench here too. If you put your clothes, you can sit there and sit down. See. Wow, I like that. And the light. Is the cabinet. Oh, I like the tree ceiling color. At the tree ceiling. Let's shut the master bedroom. Wow. Then we're going to basement. Wow, look at this basement. look at this basement, RJ. Wow, so big.
Storage area right here.
Oh, I like this. RJ, look at that.
Storage.
Wow, RJ. So big. This here? What's here? Oh, the furnace. Here, the furnace. Okay. And we're going to, what's this here? Oh, the playground of the baby, RJ.
Also here.
Or storage of toys.
Also something else.
Oh, here, what's this here, RJ? Oh, it's so dark here. What's here? Oh, not finished. Room. There you go.
That was the happiest toy.
That toys.
Yeah.
What you like?
Story.
Wow. Here's the other bedroom. Wow. Have a shark here.
Huh?
Look at that. Have a shark. There's a shark. Wow.
No, just the pending.
This is for a
You stick it in there.
kid's bedroom. RJ. This is the closet. Here. This big closet. There. Nice. And have here and have other
Hey, come here.
here's the
Come on here.
bathroom. The bathroom, RJ. Here's the bathroom. So nice.
It's easy, easy.
See? Nice bathroom, RJ. Yun. So
I
take
think
shower
that's the
there.
baby one.
BB one. Oh, here. Yes. Don't go there.
It's in here.
Here. Nice,
I
RJ.
want to see here.
Wow.
Daddy, mommy,
Other room.
mommy.
Basement
What's
room,
in
RJ.
here?
Hey, look. Open, RJ.
You do it.
Hey, go.
Do it. You do it.
There's the closet, RJ.
Close
See?
it. Okay, bye-bye.
Nice. Here is the other mirror. Here it is. Nice, RJ. Here's the basement living room. Oh, I like this. Like that. Have a pole here. When you flip pole, have here. And other stuff there. And have other there. Have a shark there. And microwave. What's this? Microwave. Here's the microwave. And there is the snacks. The sink. At that, I like that cover. Cabinet. There's the mini refrigerator. At that. Wow. All is finished, this guys. This is a model. All finished basement. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, shares, and subscribe. Bye bye. Have one more shot here in basement. Here's the other side. Okay, bye bye. Okay, here now, guys, in outside. Outside. This. It's so hard, again. Okay. Oh, duck. There. There you go. Oh, so nice.
Also can sit. Wait, here
There is the patio.
and there
Sa patio, RJ.
and here
There he is.
here and here too.
Look at that. Here is the view.
Yeah, you can play out here.
Yep, you can play, RJ. It's a big backyard. Look at that. There is. It's the whole view. And here is the backyard. There is the neighbor. Look at the view. Wow. So beautiful view. We go turn around, guys. Here's the side view. Side view. There. Hi, RJ. Here is the front. Here. This is the model. At the view in the front. And here. Here's the front view. So nice. Symphony home. At that. Best of the Wasas